Do you ever feel like AI and scientific discovery is this complex academic world that is completely separate from your business reality? Well, we get it. But here's the thing. Once you understand what's really happening when AI accelerates human knowledge, it completely transforms how you see the entire landscape of AI. And trust me, this matters way more for your business than you might think. My name is Marshall, and for the past 10 years, I've been building high-producing teams and implementing the tools and strategies necessary to win in life and in business. So let's start with the basics, because we believe in making complex concepts accessible to everyone running real businesses. When we talk about artificial intelligence, we're really talking about computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. Understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems. Think of it as having incredibly capable digital team members who can process information and make connections at superhuman speed. Over the years, AI has evolved through fascinating phases. We started with rule-based systems, moved into machine learning, and now we're in the era of deep learning techniques. You see that with ChatGPT and Claude. Well, what's driving this advancement? Well, there's three key factors. First is increased computational power. The second one is vast amounts of available data. And the third is breakthrough algorithms. So the transition from traditional algorithms to deep learning has allowed AI to excel in tasks like image and speech recognition, capabilities that directly impact businesses that serve their customers. So here's something we always share with our partners. AI has had quite the roller coaster journey. There was significant hype in the 1960s and 1980s, followed by periods of stagnation, which we call AI winters. Today, we're in a resurgence phase due to technological advancements and massive investment, both private and public. So understanding this historical context helps you make smarter decisions about AI implementation into your actual business. The major research directions shaping our future include reinforcement learning, where algorithms learn through trial and error, natural language processing, enabling machines to understand and generate human language, and AI ethics, which is focusing on responsible deployment of AI. Now, each of these areas has profound implications for how we use AI in scientific discovery and business transformation. So how does this actually work in practice? Let's dive into the mechanics that are changing everything. At the heart of emerging AI capabilities are neural networks, digital architectures that mimic how human brains process information. These networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes that learn to recognize complex patterns in data. We've seen researchers use deep learning to analyze genomic data, leading to breakthrough insights in medical research. That's the kind of pattern recognition that can revolutionize how your business understands customer behavior, market trends, or operational efficiency. The strategic implications are vast and super exciting. AI can literally accelerate scientific research by automating data analysis, generating hypotheses and ideas, and even discovering brand new materials. But here's what we find most compelling for businesses. These same capabilities can transform how you approach real-world applications that matter to your business transformation. AI is revolutionizing industries from healthcare, where it powers diagnostic tools, to agriculture, where it optimizes crop yields. It's so vast, and these developments have tangible impacts on our daily lives and specifically business operations. These are not futuristic concepts. They're happening right now and creating competitive advantages for businesses that understand how to leverage them. This is exactly why we emphasize human-centered approaches that empower people alongside technology rather than replacing human judgment entirely, which could be very dangerous. The businesses succeeding in this landscape are those that recognize AI as a tool, just a tool, for augmenting existing human capabilities, not replacing them. They're using AI to handle repetitive tasks, analyze really big data sets, and identify patterns that would be impossible for humans to manually spot. This frees up teams to focus on creative problem solving, strategic thinking, and relationship building. It's about fundamentally changing how we approach problem solving in every single industry. Whether you're optimizing supply chains, you're personalizing customer experiences, or streamlining your operations, the same AI techniques driving scientific breakthroughs can transform your business processes. These are businesses of all shapes and sizes that simply understood how to apply AI principles to their specific challenges in their industry. The key insight we share with all of our partners that we work with is this: you don't need to become an AI expert to benefit from these advances. You need to understand the possibilities well enough to identify the opportunities in your own business and implement solutions that make sense for your people and processes. But you don't have to be an AI PhD. Here's what excites me most about accelerating scientific discovery with AI. It represents a fundamental shift towards solving complex problems faster and more effectively than ever before. This isn't just about scientific breakthroughs in labs. It's about bringing that same problem-solving power to everyday business challenges, which there are many of. The businesses thriving in this new landscape are those that understand how to harness AI's pattern recognition, data analysis, and hypothesis generation capabilities, just ideas, to solve the specific bottlenecks that are in their business and streamline repetitive tasks, especially. Businesses that are winning are not waiting for perfect solutions. I want to emphasize that. They're implementing practical AI applications that deliver real value while building capabilities for the future. I'm very passionate about helping businesses navigate this transformation with a human-centered approach that empowers people and the processes they work in. The question isn't whether AI will impact your industry, but how quickly you can identify and implement the applications that will give you a competitive advantage while serving your customers better, no matter what product or service you have. So if you're ready to explore how AI-accelerated problem solving can transform your business and your operations, you can check us out on LinkedIn and on YouTube, where we'll share daily and weekly insights on practical AI implementation and human-centered approaches to business transformation that put people first.